If your current office chair looks like this, well, you're in the right place. Today we'll be taking this old chair, flinging it aside, and checking out the Modern Depot Ultimate Gaming Chair with built-in back massage and Bluetooth. Let's grab it. The Modern Depot Bluetooth gaming chair is what you would call a special edition. Right here on this giant box that weighs about 60 pounds, we see it as 152 out of 242. So if you have an opportunity to get your hands on one of these suckers, recommend doing it soon. Link in the description. Now that I'm thoroughly winded, let's get into this box with Jack thinks it's a good idea to throw knives at me. New channel idea coming soon. We will open this up and cut carefully. This video is brought to you by a sponsor, none other than my father, who has a great taste in graduation gifts because the office chair that I sit on right now is from the 1980s, which is before I was born, and this will be much more comfy. After cutting a metric ton of tape, and hopefully the chair, we can break into this monstrosity of a box, which, as I said earlier, 60 pounds about, and the chair itself weighs 53 and supports a weight of 260 some pounds, so we'll be good. Open it up to reveal that didn't quite go as planned, but if you take the cardboard, chuck it off, and break your light, there's a lot of bubble wrap in here. Let's pull out what I assume to be the back. This chair has some neat features. On the label, it says that it is a chair plus gaming and massage and Bluetooth and head, which I don't like a headless horseman for a gaming chair. And look it, we have a head on this one. Wow, this is... put this in my car, replace my driver's seat. That's what we should be doing. We notice there's a plug on the one side. I'm gonna guess that's for the massage. There are 2 different massage areas, 6 different massage modes. I don't even know what I'm pulling out at this point. Oh goodness. A box. Woo! The head. The lumbar. Lumbar sounds like a hip gathering place. Anyways. And the bottom, which is ginormous. It's got a footrest. Just never ends. Yep. There's this. Ooh, tools. We'd have to put it together. Poor Jack is gonna have to edit a 40-minute video. Dad, you went all out with this one. No holds back. No idea how much it costs, because right now they're sold out. At least from what I saw on the last ad. That's an interesting noise. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's more. Perfect. Start going to the gym more for this. This, base, that. It's finally done. Time to put it together super fast. Yeah, so just so my mom doesn't hardcore judge me, I'm actually gonna use instructions to put this together. There's a power on and off button for charging, a USB port for the massage lumbar. Oh, and there's the instructions. First off, start with A. That's the base. I can do that. Comes with a pool noodle. It's a metal frame with a leather cover. Matches the aesthetic of the chair. No wheels though. Kind of sad about that, but everything else, I mean, when you're holding up a Cadillac of chairs, you don't have wheels. You're sitting in one spot. And we grab the next piece, which is A, which is the tube. Hope this is the tube. Tube. Got it. Got pockets for your remotes and your
handy stuff.
Handy stuff, that's what they said in the ad. The handy stuff. Next up, the back, which I'm supposed to use this. shoot. I'm gonna assume this goes there. Okay, not quite there. What did I do wrong already? Oh, yeah, I used the wrong one. If it doesn't seem like it fits, it probably doesn't fit. Oh, come on, oh, thank goodness. Whew, sweet relief. Ow. It's just going. Oh, not gonna lie, that is comfy though. There are just so many things to be hooked up. After 30 minutes with this thing and Jack watching me, it is time to take a load off in the fruits of my labor. Yeah, let's talk about this chair. All right, couple things. First off, cup holders. Not big enough to fit your shaker bottle with a 3411 Heaven sticker, but big enough to fit your canned beverage. If you were my father, it'd be Diet Pepsi, his drink of choice. When you sit down, right away, you may notice that you have to do some adjusting to actually make it fit your body type, height, whatever you want to call it. For me, I had to move the pillow up a little bit, and also the lumbar support up. And when I have it like that, it's pretty comfy, but it gets better. If we take this side tab, flab, whatever you want to call it, and go like this, I recline, and then we can take that one step farther when we grab this ejection lever, and now I'm a blob on a chair, and I feel like I'm in Wall-E with those recliners that were floating around. Could this be the future? I don't know. It could be your future if you check out the link in the description below. Overall construction quality, pretty good. About what you'd expect from something manufactured overseas of this style. Let's try out some of the more fun things. Bluetooth, I'm gonna turn it on. And boom, we are ready to rock and roll. Jack, kick it. I'm giving my car away at 100,000 subs, but that's enough of that. Long story short, the speakers on this, they're decent. They're okay. You're not going to rock your house down with them, but when you are reclined, if you want to listen to some sweet tunes, like some piano music to get you to take a nice nap, they work for that. Jack did experience some connectivity issues when he was first connecting, but once we got that, ironed out, it worked fine. There are Bluetooth lights on the button, the power button for the Bluetooth speakers that go crazy while you're playing music. And additionally, there is a micro USB charging port. You can run the speakers when the charger is not plugged in. I don't know the battery life on that. Perhaps a more important feature that you're looking for is the massage function, and that's all encased in this lumbar support, which also has to be plugged in by USB. I can put on the power, and it starts massaging my back. There are two different massage points, but they are both located in the lumbar support, and it does have to be plugged into the wall for it to function. And before I fall asleep, let's talk about some last minute features. First off, the chair, it cannot adjust up and down. It is at a fixed height, so if you're looking for this to fit under your desk, measure first. Additionally, something to think about are these are pretty wide arms. If you have a narrow desk, think about that too. While it can't go up and down, it can spin you around, but if you're plugged into a wall, like I am right now, don't try and do that because you'll rip the charger out of the wall, and that's just not good for you. Last but not least, do realize this is a pleather chair, so if things are hot and maybe get a bit swampy, that might be something to keep in mind too. And on that note, thanks for watching the video, everyone. Be sure to drop a like if you enjoyed that and click the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future content. Thanks again to my dad for this awesome graduation/birthday present. It will definitely serve me well for some quality naps. As always, folks, we'll catch you in the next one. Bird out.